Mayeni was asking Makhumalo about Makwela, how Makhumalo did not know that Musamseleku have got a girlfriend. Makhumalo knows Musamseleku's girlfriends. It's about what happened last time with Mangwabe. Musamseleku bring Mangwabe in Musumbe. Makhumalo was the only wife who accept Mangwabe without complaining. Mayeni doesn't want Mangwabe. Macele doesn't want to accept Mangwabe, but Musamseleku forces here. But Makhumalo says she already knows Mangwabe, it's her friend. Musamseleku introduced Mangwabe and Makhumalo to Masaule, so there is no problem. That's why Mayeni was asking Makhumalo why she did not know about Makwela. The person who knows about Makwela is Macele. Musamseleku didn't tell Makhumalo about Makwela because he knows that he want to get married to Makwela. They are coming from the same place with Makhumalo. Musamseleku promised Makhumalo that he is not going to get married to a woman who came from the same place with him. That's why Musamseleku hide a secret to Makhumalo. If Makwela doesn't come from the same place or she doesn't know Makwela, I think Musamseleku was tell Makhumalo about his girlfriend.